When you're pushing limits, whether on the track or off-road, safety isn't just a feature, it's the absolute foundation. This SIMPSON Safety Black Camlock 5-point harness PN 29102 BK isn't just another piece of gear. It's a commitment to keeping you secure when it matters most. Right out of the box, the reputation of SIMPSON safety precedes it, and this harness lives up to that legacy. The first thing that catches your eye, beyond its sleek black aesthetic, is the robust Camlock mechanism. While the material is listed as plastic, this isn't your average flimsy stuff. We're talking about a high-grade, incredibly durable composite that feels engineered for precision and reliability. It's designed for rapid engagement, and more importantly, lightning-fast disengagement when every second counts. Just a quick twist, and you're free, which is an absolute game-changer in emergency situations. The 5-point design is where this harness truly shines in terms of security. Unlike a standard 3-point belt, this system anchors you firmly at both shoulders, both hips, and between the legs. This comprehensive restraint prevents submarining under impact and keeps your body perfectly positioned, minimizing movement and maximizing control. It gives you that incredible sense of being truly connected to the vehicle, almost becoming one with it, which is invaluable for precise driving. The attention to detail is evident throughout. The webbing itself, though not explicitly detailed in the specs, feels incredibly strong and well-stitched, built to withstand immense forces. And the fact that it's hand wash only speaks to its specialized nature. This isn't a casual accessory. It's serious safety equipment that deserves proper care to maintain its integrity. For anyone serious about performance driving, track days, or even just upgrading their off-road rig for maximum occupant safety, this harness offers an unparalleled level of confidence. It's a piece of equipment that you hope you never have to rely on fully, but knowing it's there, ready to perform, is an amazing feeling. It's not just about preventing injury, it's about allowing you to focus entirely on the drive, knowing your safety is expertly handled. In conclusion, the SIMPSON Safety Black Camlock 5-point harness is an outstanding piece of safety engineering. It combines the legendary reliability of SIMPSON with a quick-release camlock system and the superior containment of a 5-point design. It's an essential upgrade for anyone demanding the highest standards of occupant protection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.